Stitches for all the imitators, perpetrators, and haters. This is something new. The Casper Slide Part 2.
I'm going to be starting off with my lightest foundation, and I'm going to be putting that all over my face and on my chest and my neck. Now I'm going to cream contour with my LA Colors foundation stick. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild concealer and putting that under my eyes. To set everything in place, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me powder. To prime the eyes, I'm using my Urban Decay Primer Potion. I'm going in with my ColourPop eyeshadow palette and using that shade that I showed you all over my lid and under my eyes. Going in with that shimmer shade, I'm going to put that under my eyes and on my eyelids. Now going into my Subculture palette, I'm using that white shimmer shade in my inner corner. I'm using my Wet n Wild eyeliner and just doing a wing with that. For this wing, she goes a little straighter, so I brought it out a little more straighter than I usually would. I'm gonna go in with my Physicians Formula eyeliner and use that on my waterline. Going back into the same ColourPop eyeshadow palette and using that brown shade just to smoke out the eyeliner. I'm gonna be curling my eyelashes and putting mascara on with my Revlon mascara. She does have little dots under her eyes, so I went in and drew that too. For cheeks, I'm using my NYX blush in an orange shade so it matches with the eyes. And I'm just putting that on my cheeks and a little bit on my nose. Now for highlight, I'm using my highlighter from JCat Beauty and just putting that on the high points of my face. I'm taking my LA Colors lip liner and just lining my lips. fill that in, I'm using my Wet n Wild matte lipstick in a red shade. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.